This program was brought to you by PennyMac TPO. Visit tpo.pennymac.com to learn more about becoming a partner and starting your journey to greatness. With the people, products, and technology to take you there, it's why they say, at PennyMac, greatness lives here.
Welcome to The Interest, your daily breakdown of the news that matters. I'm Mike Savino.
And I'm Christine Stewart. Mike, I am not the gambling type, but apparently I am in the minority. U.S. casinos reported raking in $5.31 billion in revenue in March. I wonder if they're taking bets on whether we're headed for a recession.
Yeah, I know I could use a way to make up for all my losses on the NBA playoffs, though I don't really feel good about betting on the U.S. economy shrinking. Coming up, we'll hear Rocket CEO Jay Farner's prediction, but first, let's get to a brewing legal battle between two mortgage lenders. Caliber Home Loans is suing rival CrossCountry, accusing the company of stealing employees in a systematic raid. In a lawsuit filed in federal court, Caliber says that CrossCountry offered incentives to lure away branch managers and other employees. Caliber says CrossCountry first targeted a branch in Texas in 2021 and gradually hired away 80 employees across 6 states. Caliber also says those employees produced a combined $2.3 billion in mortgage originations annually. Caliber claims to have an email from one former branch manager detailing some of those negotiations. In a letter, CrossCountry offered the manager a $1 million signing bonus, an additional $500,000 in a volume bonus, $150,000 in corporate credit for the branch, and a marketing allowance of $50,000, among other perks. Now, Caliber is accusing CrossCountry of working with managers on master plans to take away top producers and other staff from those branches. Those employees would then misappropriate trade secrets and divert thousands of mortgage loans from Caliber to CrossCountry. A spokeswoman for CrossCountry told us this morning that the company does not comment on legal matters, but according to the lawsuit, CrossCountry denied any wrongdoing when contacted by Caliber. Caliber is seeking more than $5 million in damages. loanDepot filed a lawsuit last year against CrossCountry and 7 of its own former employees, making similar accusations.
In other news, Rocket CEO Jay Farner is the latest executive to warn about a recession. In fact, Farner said during an interview on Yahoo Finance Live that he thinks a recession is likely. The Federal Reserve has raised interest rates by a combined 3/4 of a point this year and is likely to approve several more rate hikes in the near future. Farner says customers are still buying homes, but he also sees signs that they're looking for ways to cut back spending through Rocket's recently acquired Truebill fintech platform.
Today, we also know that things are accelerating rapidly, and as people take on higher mortgage interest rates, that means that in the future we'll be refinancing our clients the millions and millions that we're putting on our platform to lower interest rates, because we feel strongly that there'll be a recession coming here in the coming quarters.
Farner's comments come just 2 days after announcing his company earned another $1 billion in net income. Rocket also has more than $2 billion in cash, leaving it positioned to acquire another company.
And finally, Freddie Mac's weekly survey shows that the 30-year fixed-rate mortgage stands at 5.3%. Numbers released this morning show that the mortgage rates continue to rise steadily. The rate for the 30-year was 5.27 last week and was under 3% a year ago. Freddie Mac's chief economist said that the higher rates have created a 1/3 increase in monthly mortgage payments, and he expects demand among first-time buyers to weaken.
This program was brought to you by PennyMac TPO. Visit tpo.pennymac.com to learn more about becoming a partner and starting your journey to greatness.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to mortgagenewsnetwork.com.